Start off and tell you my 10 uses for coconut oil. So first off, I use it in the morning as my mouthwash. It's called oil pulling. This method has been around for years. This method is amazing for your mouth health. Honestly speaking, it does so many things. What does it do? It helps with bad breath. It helps with any bacteria on your mouth. It helps with whitening your teeth. It cleans your teeth like into like a deep cleaning type of thing. You can place a spoonful of coconut oil. You can either use it straight from the can, or you can melt it and put it in like a little cup, melt it, and actually put it in your mouth like you do mouthwash, and you swoosh it around your mouth for anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes. And if you can't do 20 minutes at first, you can start with 5, 10, 15, 20 until you actually get to 20. 20 is like the actual amount you need to be able to do that, and it's called oil pulling, and that's what it's doing. It's pulling all this nasty gunk out of your mouth, and it maintains a healthy smile, it maintains a healthy mouth, maintains healthy gums, and it definitely freshens your breath. And after that, throw it out either on the toilet or throw it on the trash, because you don't want to clog up your sink, because it hardens once it becomes in contact with cold water or any cold surfaces. And brush your teeth. Do not replace coconut oil. Do not replace oil pulling with washing your teeth, brushing your teeth, or flossing. It has nothing to do with that. That is just an extra method that you can use to better your mouth health. First, makeup remover. Oh my god, ladies, honestly, grab a cotton pad, a little bit of that oil, and the waterproof mascara and the mattes not move anywhere liquid liner that you wore last night, it is definitely going to be removed in a heartbeat. And I absolutely love it because it smells good, and I'm not only removing my makeup, I'm actually doing good to my skin. The coconut oil moisturizes your skin, and it helps your skin like there's no tomorrow. So you're not applying any chemicals to your face. You can use which one you like, but honestly, if you want something natural and you want something that you have in your pantry, I recommend removing your makeup with coconut oil. It's gonna definitely help a lot, and it just smells so good. The other thing that I use it for, number 3, is actually a lip scrub. You can grab the brown sugar and the coconut oil and you mix it together, and definitely your lips are going to love it, because you're not only scrubbing, but at the same time you're applying something that is good, and it's actually going to help moisturize your lips as well. And let me tell you, tastes amazing. So please do not go eating your lip scrub. You can grab a little container, you can put it in there, put a lid on it, and you can use it constantly. So I absolutely love it, and you don't have to spend so much money buying a lip scrub. Number four that I use it for is you can use it as a body scrub. You use this as a body scrub. You can use kosher salt, or you can use a sea salt with it as well, or you can use the brown sugar, you know. But you can use sea salt, and you can use it as a body scrub, and it will feel amazing. You are removing all the nasty layers of dirt or whatever, and you're also bringing some moisture to your skin, because the coconut oil is going to help seal the moisture into your skin. And let me tell you, it is not nasty. It smells amazing, ladies. It smells so good. Your husband, ladies, is going to want to be like, let me get a piece of that. Other thing you can use it for, shaving cream. Shaving cream. It smooths my legs like there isn't any tomorrow. It just leaves my legs so smooth, it's not even funny. I love it, and it definitely, it's just when you know that you're using something that is good for your body, but also you're getting the effects that you're getting what you're looking for. It's amazing. So you can use it for shaving your legs. The other thing is for the hair. You can use it as a leave-in conditioner. You guys already saw that I did a hair mask, but I mixed in a whole bunch of things. But just the coconut alone is going to help seal the moisture into your hair. It's going to bring shine into your hair, and it's going to restore your hair. So you can leave it on unshampooed for about an hour, and then you can shampoo your hair, and then you can remove it. Or you can use it as a leave-in conditioner, meaning wash your hair, put coconut oil on it, leave it for a while, and then rinse it, and that's it. And your hair is gonna smell amazing. You're just gonna feel like you're in the tropics, like you're in the Caribbean, because your hair smells like coconut. Oh, amazing. Also, it repairs it repairs split ends. It's not going to remove your split end. You just apply a little bit of coconut oil on your hand and you apply it on the ends of your hair, and it's gonna bring shine and moisture to your ends, and it's definitely not, you're definitely not going to see like the split ends right away. Especially if you have light hair, your split ends you can see them a mile away. You grab a little bit of coconut oil and you put it on your ends. It's gonna bring shine into your hair, and it's definitely gonna look a lot healthier. Believe me, I've been trying it and it works amazing. You can also use it as a lip balm if you want to put like a little bit of moisturize to your lips and you don't want to use a lip gloss, you don't want to use something that is too sticky, but you do want a little bit of shine. You can use it as a lip balm, you can use it for shine, and also it definitely brings a lot of, it definitely going to moisturize your lips. Yes, baby. And if your husband, again, if your partner likes coconut, then kiss away, baby, kiss away. And you can also apply coconut oil to your lashes and to your eyebrows. It's going to help with the growth of your eyebrows. It's going to help with the growth of your lashes. And it's going to make your lashes look a lot fuller. And it's definitely going to make your lashes look so cute. And honestly, I have tried it. I have applied a little bit of coconut oil into a mascara, a clean mascara wand. And I've applied it on my lashes. And I'm going to tell you, it looks so natural, and my lashes look a lot longer and a lot fuller, and I don't have to wear mascara or anything like that. I like to wear basically when I'm going to sleep, just so I can look a little bit pretty. So I just put a little bit of that on my lashes and a little bit of coconut oil on my lips. So I'm doing good. At the same time, I'm smelling good and I'm looking good. Hello, who wants to go to bed looking like a hot mess? I do that sometimes. And last but not least, it's amazing for cooking. So cook away, you can use it for anything, and I'm telling you, coconut oil is amazing. If you don't have coconut oil in your pantry, you need to get in your car and you need to go get coconut oil. Amazing benefits that you have to try it. So if you want to get a full detail of what else you can use it with, why is it so anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see any more informative videos of things that I use, why I use them for, all you have to do is let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you really like this video, please let me know in the comments below so I know that you guys liked it. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below if you use coconut oil and what you use it for, if I didn't mention it in this video, because I would love to give it a try. Thank you so much for sticking till the end. Besotes, be blessed, precious pearls. I will see you ladies on my next video. Bye.